So before this video even starts, I'm gonna give a big shout out to my friend. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but it's gonna be in this screenshot right here. She actually suggested to do this, so I'm not gonna get all credit to me, but this was a great idea, and I've never seen an actual YouTuber do like this, so it's kind of my idea. But I'm not gonna take all the credit for it. I'm gonna give some credit to her. So thank you, and just enjoy the video. Just don't even mind the fact that there is a bag or thing of laundry back there. Hey guys, Dale, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, Peachy Babes. In today's video, I'm doing, you've probably seen on TikTok how there's so many people doing the mugshot thing, and I was just like, I haven't seen anybody actually put into a YouTube video. And yeah, so there's gonna be 3 parts to this video. The first one is me getting ready. Second one is photo shoot. And the third one is me, well, taking all it off, if I even can. Let's just get right into the video. I'm gonna go pick out my outfit. Okay, so I just got dressed. Some black biker shorts. They're kind of biker shorts, but they're not like tight. They're not like spandex, if you know what I mean, but they're like this calm fabric. And I'm wearing a Guess shirt, just because it kind of has holes in it and stuff. So what we're doing is obviously like priming and stuff. Me and Kara do every day, just because I don't know what's gonna do to my skin because I've never done something like this. So okay, so now I'm going to be doing like sort of covering up my redness. What I was saying in this video was that I don't use powder because I think it's because I don't have any money. So I use 2 different eyeshadow palettes in like the light shades for like covering up my redness. So that's what I was talking about. So I cover that with my redness. Okay, I covered most of the redness. Now I'm gonna get into eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the black shade, which is the only shade I'm ever gonna use in this palette. I'm just gonna use this for now. And I'm using an eyebrow brush. Use a packer brush, but I don't really care. Oh yeah, there we go. And then we're going with this little elf thing. I have no idea what it is. That's like an eyeshadow and eyeliner duo thing. A little sparkly color here. Blend that in. I'm gonna go with this palette. Shade. No, I'm gonna grab the light brown shade. The second one, and I'm gonna go like that. And then grab the darkest brown shade and go over top that. Alright, I'm taking my Morphe palette in 9C. I'm gonna be taking Flex and mix it with chocolate diamond, the lined areas. Great. And I'm gonna take rose quartz and fool's gold. Fill in the spaces up here. And then I'm gonna take my blending brush, blend. That looks actually kind of good. Like, wow. I'm gonna do that all over again on this side, and I'll come back to you guys. I know, I look crazy. Just hang in there. Okay, so now, so now I'm gonna take this and this. I'm gonna do my mascara first. And then I'm gonna be putting this. It's a little like Rimmel like ink bee stamp thing. Now I'm gonna do really messy lipstick. I don't have red lipstick, which is actually really surprising. I'm gonna put it. Okay, I did that. I'm looking crazy. Would I actually look like this in a mugshot? I'd be like. And last but certainly not least, we have the fake blood. I've had this for years. I've had this since 2018, like Halloween, because I dressed up as 11 in the dress. Whew. And last time I recall this shit stains. So this is my mugshot, guys. I forgot to mention and show the picture. So here's picture 1, here's picture 2, and here's picture 3. Thank you. The video that's gonna show next are on my TikTok, so go follow my TikTok right here. It's also in the description. So this is the last one I'm gonna do, I promise. Okay, so I just made the video insert here.
Take me out to the back of the shed and shoot me in the back of the head. Take me out to the back of the shed and shoot me in the back of the head.
And so now I'm gonna be taking all of this off. Let's go to my bathroom. Okay, so I gotta take all of this off. This definitely does stain. Clip. Now I gotta wash all of this off. And this. Okay, so that was the video. Ooh, I need some water. You can tell there's still eyeliner right there, or eyeshadow, but like, it's okay, I'll wash it off later. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I honestly think that this video is probably gonna be one of my favorites, just because it's just so fun to do things like this. Sometimes you have to do what you want, and if you guys want to, join the thing, you want to choose what videos you want to see next, follow my Instagram, because I'm constantly doing polls and question stickers and stuff like that to see what you guys want on my YouTube. So, and bye, bad biscuits.